All right guys, 2007 Chevy Silverado. It's got a stage 4 cam, long tube headers, and a 2-step. And we just added a CORSA muffler on it. So we're gonna let you guys hear it now. Go ahead. Dude, that shit just sounds so much. Wow. And it's got a CORSA muffler. We don't have the part number on the CORSA muffler, but it's got a CORSA muffler, a used one. You can hear it. Wow. If you guys want to follow him on Instagram, his bill, there it is right there. Make sure you guys go follow. This sounds amazing. CORSA never disappoints, guys. Look at that. Wow, here's sound decibel. 120. Roy, you gotta get the double tip next. I've got a bunch of different styles. I've got a carbon fiber one that'll look really nice on it. I love that chop. It sounds so good. I love it. Long tube header, stage 4 cam, 2-step, CORSA. I think it's a CORSA Extreme muffler. We fabbed it inside to make it fit. Enjoy, guys. Hell yeah.